Zack from Kid2Kid Tutorials. And today we're going to be working on parallelograms and rhombi. And don't forget to subscribe. Let's start on our first problem. Given that angle A equals x plus y, angle B equals 3x, and angle D equals 30 degrees in the parallelogram ABCD as shown, find x, y, and angle C. So, we know that angle D plus angle C must equal 180 because this is a supplementary angle. And supplementary angles always equal 180. So this angle here and this angle here make up a supplementary angle. So we have 30 degrees plus C equals 180. And we find that angle D plus C equals 180. So that's 30 plus C equals 180. And then we soon find that C equals 150 if we subtract both sides by 30 degrees. C equals 150. Now we can use this to find B. So we have 150 degrees plus 3x equals 180. So 150 degrees plus 3x equals 180 because these make up a supplementary angle too. So then we subtract 150 and we get 3x equals 30 degrees. And then we divide by 3 and x equals 10 degrees. So now we have to solve for A, angle A. So we can use D again, angle D again, to solve for angle A. So we have 30 plus x plus y plus x plus y equals 180. Then we subtract 30 and we get x plus y equals 180. 150, sorry. So then we know that x equals 10. So we plug in 10 for x and we find that we have 10 plus y equals 150 and subtract 10 and we have y equals 140. So this angle would be 140 plus 10, which equals 150. So now let's go on to our third and final problem. PQRS is a rhombus with diagonals PR equals 6 and QS equals 12. Find the area and the perimeter of PQRS. So we draw a rhombus PQR and name the angles P, Q, R, and S. So that's P, that's Q, R, and S. So we draw the diagonals right there. And then we can put in the length of the diagonals. So QS is 12 and PR is 6. So let's start by finding the area. So if you're given two diagonals in a rhombus, you can take half the product of the diagonals. So the product needs to multiply, so 6 times 12, and half the product, so divided by 2. And then that equals 72 over 2, which equals 36. So the area of this rhombus is 36. So now we have to find the perimeter of PQRS. So to do that, we need the length of all the sides. We only have the lengths of the diagonals. But we know that these diagonals are bisectors, which means a bisector splits an object in half, and they're perpendicular to each other. So why that is helpful is because this is a 90-degree angle, and so are the other angles around here. So we have 4 right triangles, and we already know these 4 of the sides. So this one would be 6 divided by 2, because it's a bisector, it splits it in half. So that's 6 divided by 2, which equals 3. So this length is 3, and so is this length here. And then we have 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So this length here is 6, and so is that one. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the sides of these. Since we already know this side and this side, we can find this side by using the Pythagorean theorem. So this side is the hypotenuse, so we need 3 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. So 3 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. And then we can add these, so we can simplify that out. So 3 squared is 9, plus 6 squared, which is 36, equals c squared. And then 9 plus 36 is 45. So we have c squared equals 45, and we take the square root of both sides, and we have c equals the square root of 45. And the square root of 45, that can simplify to 3 square root of 5. So that's just one side, this side here. And since all the sides in this rhombus are the same, we have this side equals 3 square root of 5, this side equals 3 square root of 5, and this side equals 3 square root of 5. So to find the perimeter, we just add these all up. And since there's 4 identical sides, we just have 4 times 3 square root of 5. So we do 4 times 3 square root of 5, which equals 12 square root of 5. And 12 square root of 5 is the perimeter of PQRS. Thank you for watching Kid2Kid Tutorials. And if you like our videos, please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.